Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the gibberellin and how the gibberellin is responsible for the seed germination in case of barley seed. So let's get started. As you can see in this picture, so this is the embryo purple. This is the blue color part is the endosperm. These dotted lines are the allelone layer, and this is the seed coat. So the steps of germination, right? So in order to germinate, a seed has to imbibe water, right? So first the imbibition takes place where the intake of water to the embryo bubble occurs. Okay. Next step is, in this way the gibberellin get inserted into the embryo and it synthesized in the embryo. So third step is, as it entered the embryo, then by the help of scutellum it enters to the endosperm. So what is scutellum? Scutellum is nothing but, it is called as modified leaf. In case of monocot, it is called as a thin cotyledon. Okay. So barley seed is a monocot. So in this case it is a thin cotyledon. So by the help of scutellum, this gibberellic acid gets inserted into the endosperm. Okay. And the endosperm, the reserve food material is starch. So it is called as starchy endosperm. Okay. So once it reaches the endosperm, then it diffuses to the allelone layer, that these are the dotted lines. Okay. So in the allelone layer, this gibberellic acid, it activates the DNA. It activates DNA in allelone cell. Okay. In turn, there will be transcription, that is the formation of mRNA, and translation, that is the formation of proteins, takes place. Okay. So in the next step, as the result of transcription and translation, it induced to synthesize and secrete one hydrolytic enzyme, that is called alpha amylase. So it induced to synthesize and secrete alpha amylase, and not only alpha amylase but other hydrolytic enzymes, and this process is called as the mobilization of the stored food. Amylase enzyme, it seeps to the endoplasmic reticulum and then to the Golgi apparatus, and then it baked into the vesicles. As you can see in this picture, this amylase first, it seeps to the endoplasmic reticulum, then to the Golgi complex, and it's settled and baked into the vesicles. Okay. After that, it exported from the cell membrane by the exocytosis process. This gibberellic acid is dumped to the endosperm area, where the starch and the other macromolecules are broken down to small molecules. So this endosperm area, it contains the starch. It then breaks the starch to smaller molecules, just like starch to sugar. Okay. In the next step, this Endosperm solutes of the sugars are then absorbed by the scutellum and transported to the growing embryo. And the sugar formed by the hydrolysis of starch, it acts as a fuel for the respiration. Okay, so first the water intake, the imbibition takes place, then the gibberellin gets it in the embryo, then it sticks to the endosperm by the scutellum, then it diffuses to the allelon layer, and the allelon layer it activates the DNA, and then the transcription takes place, that is the formation of RNA, then there will be the formation of proteins. Okay, and in that it induce and synthesize alpha amylase and other hydrolysis. Then the amylase stick to the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi, and sorted and packed into the vesicles, and it exported from the cell membrane by the help of exocytosis process. And in the endosperm area, the starch and other macromolecules are broken down into smaller molecules. That is, the starch broken down into sugar. So the endosperm solutes are absorbed by the scutellum and transported to the growing embryo. And the sugar produced by the hydrolysis acts as the fuel for the respiration. See, there is the hydrolysis of the starch and the endosperm, and the sugar formation takes place, and by the help of scutellum, the solute is transported to the growing embryo and the growth occurs. Then the germination occurs. So this is all about the seed germination in barley seed. So how the gibberellin is involved in the process, and how the mobilization of the stored food takes place, that is the starch, and how the starch broken down into sugar and it responsible for the growth and the germination. Thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.